Hello? What's up, so? Uh... Okay. So, guys, look at this. Oh my god. This is ridiculous. If I go to my YouTube channel, I see something wrong here. What is this? I have 16 subscribers. How the hell did that happen? How the hell did that happen, bro? Well, you're going to be saying like, oh, something just happened. They don't like you no more. I had 20. Now I have 16. What the hell happened? Like, what the? Oh, my bad. Why does it keep turning around? I'm just turning off my camera. But like react to one of my videos. So look, it says right here, should I play next update? Look, celebration. I was typing, should I play Steel of Burma next update, but it didn't show up. And look, I put the Springtrap thingy. I was supposed to look like this. I was supposed to look like to be honest, cause I'm not going to stop playing. This is my playlist, cool fun stuff. This one's my favorite one. This one. Where is it? Where is my favorite one? Wait, I'm trying to find it. Ten hours later. 1 hour later. Okay, I already found the song. Okay, let's hear it. I like this bit. I don't know what to store. In 3, 2, 1. Oh my. 10. At 17 is going to go farther. I'm just tweaking. I'm so sorry. Okay, to calm myself down, I will watch this video that always calms me down. Here's the video. Let me take a screenshot. There you go. Look at the screenshot right there. Wait, did I actually go here? Oh. It did, look. But, oh my god, that was like cool. I don't know what to say. I'm so amazed by the animation of that video. That's why I'm just so crazy. My phone has 35% It's not my phone, it's my dad's phone, by the way. Deadly Pro. I edited this guy's name. Yeah boy Sam 4467 67. I customized it because I put the best Yeah boy Sam, because Yeah boy Sam 4467 is my cousin. How did he afford all of this? First one, his skin that he's wearing is 165. The hat that he's wearing, when it's a cat, is 90. Shiny teeth that he has is 75. He has a Bible? Where? He has a Bible? He doesn't have a Bible. Wait a second. Wait a freaking second. My God, why is this taking so long? 2 digits takes a long time, right? Don't tell me that's my warm-up when I wait. Hurry up. I'm just clapping my hands. I'm not clapping my chest like this. Look, this is what I'm talking about. Look. Oh my God, my teeth are showing. So I was actually doing this. But where is he wearing the Bible? I saw a Bible. But I saw he wasn't wearing a Bible. It must be in the back. Like if I turn him around like this, is what I mean, like that. If I'm using 2D, I might see him. He has a game. Wait, let me see. Does he have a game? He does have a game. He does have a game. This is your... Oh. Please donate. By... That's my... Thank you. Thank you for donating. Is this a role play of please donate? Please donate. I knew it. So the developer is him. So camera is not supported. Voice chat is not supported too. Bro, I want to play the game, but it's not available every single time. Should I try creating my own game? Okay, let me try. Can I? This is going to be boring because start creating. Okay. Download studio. I can't even do it. But how did my cousin do it? How did he do that game if he doesn't have a computer? He's supposed to have a computer to do a game. Don't tell me he has a computer. Stop with the Roblox thingy. Can't even do it. Don't tell me why. Don't tell me don't tell me this is the fake flamingo flying. 14 is so fun. 14 is so fun. So we're going to finish with. I'm going to finish this video with a cool animation by. Make sure to like and subscribe and turn those notifications on, bro.